For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, that dream is morphing into a high-stakes reality as nations and corporations race to exploit the riches of asteroids, celestial bodies brimming with platinum, gold, rare earth metals, and water ice. This isn't science fiction. It's the dawn of a trillion-dollar industry that could redefine life on Earth and propel us into a multiplanetary future. With our planet's resources strained and the demand for clean energy and advanced technology soaring, the asteroid mining race is no longer a question of if but when, and who will dominate it. Why asteroids? These ancient relics, untouched by Earth's geological processes, are treasure troves of raw materials. A single metallic asteroid like 16 Psyche contains enough iron and nickel to dwarf global reserves, while water-rich asteroids could become interplanetary gas stations, splitting H2O into hydrogen and oxygen for rocket fuel. Companies like Forge and Planetary Resources are pioneering robotic miners and refinery systems, while governments scramble to draft laws that balance profit and ethics. The US and Luxembourg have already granted companies ownership of mined space resources, but critics warn of a cosmic Wild West, where power dynamics shift to those who control the stars. The technical challenges are immense. Asteroids tumble unpredictably, some hurtling through space at 15 kilometers per second. Mining in microgravity demands radical innovation, lasers to vaporize rock, nets to capture debris, or even enveloping entire asteroids in massive bags. Solar radiation, extreme temperatures, and communication delays add layers of risk. Yet progress is accelerating. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission successfully retrieved samples from asteroid Bennu in 2023, proving that retrieval is possible. Meanwhile, startups are testing prototypes in zero-gravity chambers, and SpaceX's reusable rockets have slashed launch costs, making space ventures financially viable for the first time. The stakes extend beyond engineering. Terrestrial mining ravages ecosystems, fuels conflict, and strains geopolitics. Asteroid metals could supply the cobalt for electric vehicles, the platinum for hydrogen fuel cells, and the silicon for solar panels, without digging another pit on Earth. Water mined in space could sustain lunar bases or fuel missions to Mars, turning science fiction into reality. But this utopian vision has a dark side. Unregulated mining could litter Earth's orbit with debris, threatening satellites and spacecraft. Worse, a corporate monopoly on space resources might deepen global inequality, leaving poorer nations earthbound while a privileged few profit from the cosmos. The legal void is glaring. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty bans nations from claiming celestial bodies, but says nothing about corporations. Could a private company own an asteroid? Who ensures fair access? The UN's proposed Space Resources Act aims to mandate profit sharing and environmental safeguards, but enforcement remains a fantasy. Ethicists argue that space mining must avoid the mistakes of colonialism, exploitation without accountability. As Dr. Kwame Adebayo, a space policy expert, warns, we cannot let the greed of today dictate the future of humanity's shared inheritance. Optimists envision a symbiotic future. Asteroid-mined materials could build solar farms in orbit, beam clean energy to Earth, or construct habitats on Mars. Water from asteroids might sustain thriving space colonies, freeing humanity from Earth's limits. Startups like TransAstra propose using space resources to manufacture products in orbit, reducing the need to launch materials from Earth. Yet skeptics counter that the energy required to mine and transport these resources could negate their benefits. Why not focus on recycling Earth's waste or perfecting fusion energy instead? The race to mine asteroids is more than a competition for riches. It's a test of humanity's vision. Will we repeat the cycles of exploitation and short-term gain? Or will we use space's bounty to uplift all of civilization? The answers lie in collaboration. International partnerships, transparent laws, and ethical frameworks could ensure that asteroid mining benefits everyone, not just the powerful. As SpaceX, NASA, and private ventures push deeper into the cosmos, the choices we make today will echo for generations. The asteroids beckon, offering both peril and promise. They are not just rocks in space, but mirrors reflecting our ambitions, flaws, and potential. The technology to mine them is within reach, but the wisdom to do it responsibly is still evolving. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, one truth is clear. The future of humanity will be written not just on Earth, but among the stars.